This is an app that's called Explain Everything. It's not a traditional storytelling app. It's more of an annotate, lesson create. But it still has definitely some potential because, well, you can do pictures and audio together. Like this. And you've got all these features here, and you can see what slides you're working on, and you press play to record, usual stuff. You've got a nice slide sorter, so you can kind of grab this one and just kind of pull it down with your finger, so it's really easy to edit the order of stuff. When you click on the pen, you've got all these options. The same is true, you can insert images, but no video. Very important. Its key is the people that made this wanted to sync with everything. So this kind of list kind of started with just those two, and then as the app, as these guys got more and more important and prolific, then they just kind of added their syncingness to them, which is really nice. And if you want to put text on, you can easily put sample text, but you can kind of work with it in the middle of a lesson. Sample text. And you can grab it and make it really big and put it over there. Same is true for pictures. So you can kind of work with stuff and add more pictures. I could have a picture behind that one and kind of make it part of my story. This is huge. We really want stuff that can go to YouTube because we want to be able to share it really easily. We don't want them to be stuck on the iPad. And so it syncs to YouTube. But the best thing that makes this so nice and my students really appreciated was that once you press play and start recording, you're kind of recording on each page. And if you're on like slide 3 and you're recording, you can press a pause button, play what you just recorded only on that slide, and if you don't like it, you just press this guy right here and you do that slide over again without interrupting anything that happened on the first 2 slides. So the students can make a page, listen to it, try again, go to the next page. It's really easy to kind of interrupt your story and make it better on the small scale, and it was a way that all my students got, and it was really easy. I hardly had to explain it to them, which is a huge feature. We want to pick apps that students can use with little to no help from us, because if we have to spend time explaining things, then that's less time that we're spending on the actual lesson or the actual objective that we're trying to solve. So let's explain everything. It's $2.99. It does the most out of all the annotate type apps. This is the best one, and I hope that helps. There's some other free ones that are cool, but if you're going to pay for something, I would pay for this. Cheers.